Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is the day for the Christmas All Year Collaboration 2026, hosted by Scrap Passion 01, who is Betty. A group of us got together and we are going to share our tips, tricks, items that we create to get us ready for the busy holiday season. So I use these Dollar Tree favor boxes, and they are 3 inches by 3 inches and 2 1/4. And as you can see, they're kind of flimsy as they are. It's a good design, but I said I would step it up a little bit and add something to it. So you would need 2 pieces of 2 3/4 by 2 3/4 paper and 4 pieces of 1 by 2 3/4. And that's it. That's all you need. And this paper I'm using, this print, this was something Tamika, who Scrap the World, had created. So I'm using that along with some others. And this is what we're going to use to try to make the box a little sturdier to use for our purposes. So we're going to glue these panels onto the boxes, and what I like about this is you can do this ahead of time and have a bunch ready to go for when Christmas does get here. You can use this for a variety of things. I was thinking in terms of Scrappy Tate's 12 days, 24 days of Christmas, or other swaps that may pop up that you may need some packaging for. So I'm just gluing the panels, and after I glue them on, this is what you have. And you can see that made it a little better to work with. So these handles, you can use them as is, but I'm not going to. I'm going to actually bend these inside and add some glue and glue them into the inside of the box, just to give it, to make it a little more sturdy. And I'll use something else, another way I'm going to create handles for it. So I'm just burnishing them down to make sure it's adhered properly. And after I do that, this is what we have. Really cute. And so what you want to do, you want to create some holes. So you're going to fold the sides out to where they're on the outside, and you punch 2 holes. I'm just using my crocodile, but you can use any hole punch. And that way you will have 2 sets of perfect holes. And then you can use ribbon or trim to thread through the holes, starting from one end and going to the other. And then you take the other end of the ribbon and do the same thing. Start at the back of one panel and go to the front, inside the other, to the outside of the panel, just like so. And you can pull them tight, and then you can tie that in a bow, and I'll show you. I tied that, and see, there you have it. Really cute. So I thought this would be cute. Simple but cute packaging idea. And I was looking at some pieces I had on my desk to see what I could decorate it with, like that gold star, but then I end up going with something different. But the idea of it, you can use it for any swaps, any gift ideas for family, friends. Actually, you could use this as a gift card box or treat box, adding candy. I think that would be a good idea too. So as you can see, I did create quite a few. Used up the whole package. That was a pack of 12. And I just used a variety of different papers and trims. This one I did a different take. I spread the holes apart, punched the holes a little farther apart, and made handles with ribbon. And here's some with eyelash trim. The possibilities are endless. The ideas you could use it for are endless. So, and again, this was a box of 12, very economical. And you can make them ahead of time, store them flat, when we get ready for Christmas. Really like that plaid. So let me know what you think. Be sure to check out all the participants and see what they come up with this month. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.